Hello, boys and girls. This is our math lesson for today. We are going to review all of our 2D shapes and 3D shapes, but first we're going to start with a game that has to do with addition. Put up your two fingers. Remember, addition is bringing two groups together, and the answer in addition is the sum. Kiss your brain if you remember that. I have an addition sentence. Help me to read it, please. 1 plus 5 equals, and then it's blank. So think to yourself, if I have 1 and I add 5 more, how many would I have? You can count up from 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. I wanted you to notice today that you can write addition sentences two ways. The first way is to write in a straight line going across, but you can also write addition sentences starting at the top and going down. Let's read this same sentence. 5, look where the plus sign is, plus 1, and then the equal sign is one line. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we have the same addition sentence. One is written across long, one goes up and down. Now let's practice sum. Let's start with sum going the long way. 4 plus 4, it's a double. Say the sum when you know it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of you might know it right away. Some people might need to count and spend a moment thinking about it. 2 plus 5, I start with the bigger number. 5, 6, 7, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 and 1 more, 3. Now let's do some addition starting at the top going down. 3 plus 5. I always start with the bigger number and then count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 5. Think of your hands. 5 fingers plus 5 more equals 10. 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, it switches. The add-ins switch around. Remember, the sum stays the same. So 5 plus 2 and 2 plus 5 are both going to equal 7. 3 and 1 more, 4. 3 and 3, it's a double, 6. 2 and 1 more, 3. Oh, this one's easy. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 plus 4, think of 4. Add 3 more, 7. 1 plus 3, think of the sum, 4. And 5, think of 3 more, 6, 7, 8. Boys and girls, nice job reviewing your addition facts. We're now going to review all of our shapes, starting with the 2D, the flat shapes. We have a shape with 0 vertices, 0 sides. Say the name, circle. We learned this shape that has 3 vertices and it has 3 sides is called the triangle. It's 2D. If I have 4 vertices and 4 sides and I'm flat, another name is the square. Think about the rectangle. We learned that a rectangle is like a square. It's in the same family, but this one has 2 sides that are long, 2 that are shorter, and it's called a rectangle. This diamond shape has another name known as a rhombus. We remember the hexagon, which looks like a stop sign. It has 6 vertices and 6 sides, but we also learned a little trick about hexagons, that hexagons don't have to have all equal sides. This shape has 6 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 sides, which makes it a hexagon. All the shapes on this page, kindergartners, are called hexagons, but only the top one has equal sides. If I cut a hexagon in half, remember it becomes a trapezoid. Now let's see if we can name our 3D shapes. Remember, they're not flat, they're solid. We have the round sphere, Looks like a dice. Cube. This has 2 flat sides and no vertices. Cylinder. You can eat ice cream out of this shape. Say it with me. Cone. 1 vertice, so 1 vertex. A bonus shape, the rectangular prism has a rectangle on the front face, and the triangular prism has a triangle on the face. There's one more shape, boys and girls, that we didn't talk about, and I would like to show it to you. The pyramid. 1 vertex at the top, 4 more vertices at the bottom, and it's got a triangle on each face. The pyramid. Now, your job today, boys and girls, is to see if you can find some 2D shapes from around your house and some 3D shapes, and see if you can create some designs with them. And see if you can explain to people at your house the difference between a 3D shape, which is solid, it's big and thick, and the difference between that and a 2D shape, which is flat and skinny. See what you can build with some shapes at home. For example, I found some cylinders in my cupboard. I could build a cylinder tower. I could have the base of my tower be a cube. See what things you can find at home and what creative ways you can build. And then tell moms and dads which ones are 3D and which ones are flat and are 2D. Boys and girls, have fun with your shapes today. Bye-bye.